while making parathas for 14 days Ramadan fasting. This is for suhoor. So this is already cooked. I will change now. And now making tea. Making for suhoor for siri for 14 days Ramadan fasting. And today is Wednesday and March 4. Today is March 4. Ang bilis ng araw. Ayan, chai. I make more. This is fresh buffalo milk. So I make more parathas. So this is already cooked. Now I have to put again this one here. I make hot also this one, chicken clay. Before 2 days I cooked in this rice for me. Today's recipe for our dinner for 14th days Ramadan fasting is ladyfinger. Bindia in Urdu. In Arabic, bamya. Ito yung ano nila dito, okra. Not unlike in Philippines, yung malalaki ba. So ito yung lulutuin ko ngayon. Kahapon bumili si Fahad. Tapos ito naman yung after tomorrow ko ito lulutuin. Circle maro. Parang ano ng bayabas. Oh. Circle maro. Pero tawag nila dito ay tinde. Tinde. Tapos green chilies bumili din si Fahad. At saka free na na coriander leaves. Pero meron kaming organic na coriander leaves. So ito huhugasan ko na ito para slice. Para ready nilang mamaya ako magluto. So I already washed this one 3 times. Now we have to remove now this like this. And this one, our goods can eat this one. Then we have to cut like this too. Not like in Philippines yung buo-buo ba. Dito dapat ikakat. Season na kasi ngayon ng okra, yung ladyfinger. Kaya bindia, bamya. It's cooking time for our dinner for 14th days Ramadan fasting. Now I put already onions. As you can notice, onions, I use 2 medium size. Not unlike in Philippines, they use only 1 small or little bit they use for saute. Now I put now this garlics. Also garlics, I put 2 much here. Onions and garlics is already brown. Now we can put now this salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder. And then to be followed by tomatoes, I use 2 pieces large of tomatoes. Because if you use more tomatoes, garlics, onion, then your recipe will become more tasty. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now these lady fingers. And I will put also some green chilies here. Ayan. Now we can put now this one. Now let's check. So this is already cooked. Now we have to mix first. Then I will put toppings also parsley or coriander leaves. So our dinner for 14th days Ramadan fasting is ready. Ladyfinger curry. Done our aftari. Ayan, ubos na yung 1 jug na sherbet o kaya juice. Then dates. And then chapati, ito na lang yung natira. Kasi tapos na kaming nag-dinner, may extra na 2-3. Tapos rice, meron din akong rice pa na natira hanggang bukas ito ng suhor, pang siri o kaya 15 days Ramadan fasting. So ito na lang yung natira na niloto ko. Pwede pa ito bukas. Iano ko to sa kanin. And then meron pang natira na pakora, marami pa ito. Extra din ito. Ipainit ko na lang bukas. Tapos bumili si Fahad ng samosa, 3 piraso, tapos yung jalebi, ayan. Matamis ito siya. So maya-maya kainin namin ito. Kasi tapos na kaming iftari at saka dinner. And then bumili na din si Fahad ng mga fruits for tomorrow kasi yung binili nila kay last 2 weeks ago ay naubos na. So ito bumili siya ng sweet melon, ayan, 2. Tapos apples at saka meron din guavas yata. Ayan, may guava din, Ayan, guavas, apples, at saka bananas. Sweet melon. Itong itong fruits na ito, bali, gagamitin ko ito for 10 days. Siguro hanggang matapos na ang Ramadan. So, itong fruit chat, ito din. Kain din namin ito mamaya. And then, nagpabili din ako ng chicken for tomorrow again. Ayan, chicken. Isang chicken na piraso pero 2 kilogram siya. So, alhamdulillah, done our iftari and dinner for 14 days Ramadan fasting, alhamdulillah.